Discover the allure of coastal living in this enchanting 3-bedroom duplex villa nestled in the heart of Bavaro, Punta Cana. Priced at $209,600, this residence offers an idyllic blend of elegance and comfort within a vibrant community. With 3 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms spread across 129.80 square meters (1397.16 square feet), the villa welcomes you with a sense of spaciousness and modern design. The layout is thoughtfully crafted to enhance both functionality and aesthetic appeal, providing a harmonious living experience. The property not only captivates with its interior charm but also embraces the convenience of a 2-car garage, offering a practical solution for residents. Don't miss the chance to make this lovely property your home, where the luxury of seaside living meets the warmth of a thriving community. Schedule your visit today and step into your dream home.